brought enough snacks? Piglet, can you see anything?
No, it's so foggy.
Let's set up camp here. We'll wait for the fog to clear.
Good idea. I'm freezing.
That's better. Now we're cozy.
So warm.
Smells good.
Hasn't it? And I to eat.
I can't wait to eat. Almost ready. Just a little longer.
My tummy is rumbling. Delicious.
This fruit is so sweet.
What was that? I don't know.
Let's see what's out there.
Are you sure that's a good idea? Wow. Look at that. They're so beautiful. It's like a dream.
I've never seen anything like it.
Good morning, Piglet.
Morning. What a night.
Look at that view. It's incredible.
Let's pack up and head back down.
Okay.
It's the most beautiful sunrise I've ever seen.
Me too.
The snow is sparkling like diamonds.
It's so pretty. Woo! This is fun. I'm going so fast.
We made it. That was quite an adventure.
We did it, Piglet.
We really did.
We really did.
All right, Panda. Are you ready for a treasure hunt?
Okay, first we follow the stream.
The water is so clear. Oops, that's a big log.
Easy peasy.
Oh, dirt.
It's slippery.
Here, let me give you a hand. Thanks, Monkey. You're the best. According to the map, the treasure is near this big rock. See anything? Did you check the very top?
I found something.
Where does it lead? It's getting dark. Yeah, it sure is. It's a bit spooky in here. There it is.
Are you sure it's safe?
Relax. What could go wrong? Almost. Got it. careful! It's heavy! Almost home.
We made it!
What an adventure! Here's your share, Panda!
Wow, Hazel, this place is amazing! Okay, Milo, let's put this pole here and then attach it to this corner. Perfect! Now we have a comfy spot to sit. This dough is so squishy! I'll prepare the strawberries.
Look at all this whipped cream.
Milo, careful now. Don't eat it all before we're done.
I can't help it, Hazel. It looks too good.
Gotta get it just right.
You're doing great, Milo.
Nailed it. Woohoo!
I think this is my best one yet, Hazel.
Oh, Milo, it looks absolutely wonderful. Wow, Hazel, that looks amazing. Can we eat it now?
Just one more berry, Milo.
These are delicious.
And then the banana slipped.
Oh dear, the wind is getting stronger.
Hold on tight, Milo. I hope this storm ends soon.
Wow! Look at that sunrise, Hazel! It's beautiful!
It truly is, Milo. What a perfect morning. This mist looks like soft clouds on the ground.
Yes, it makes everything feel so peaceful.
Hot cocoa always makes everything better. This is the best cocoa ever.
The sunrise is so pretty.
Goodbye.
See you soon. Round 9.
Look how much corn we've got, Piglet.
Oh no, the birds are eating our corn.
I have an idea. We'll make a scarecrow. He needs a hat to look extra scary. It worked! Our corn's safe!
Now let's make some delicious corn cakes!
I can't wait until they're ready. They look perfect.
best corn cakes I've ever tasted.
Yummy.
Thank you.
What are you doing, Monkey?
Just getting it ready for dinner. Smells good, right? The rice needs to be just right.
This is the perfect end to a perfect day, Piglet.
I really like working with you, Monkey.
I like working with you too, Piglet.
Look at all the stars.
Wow, look at that flood. The chickens are freaking out. Dear, I hope they're okay. It is raining awfully hard. It's just not fair, Penny. Why does it always have to rain when we plan something?
I know, Tim, but we can still play inside. It'll be okay.
Don't worry, Tim. We can fix these together.
Looks like this plank fits the measurements exactly.
Okay, I'll put it right here then.
Heave-ho, Penny. We'll have this covered in no time.
It's getting heavy, Tim, but we're almost there.
Look at that, Penny. We planted them all by ourselves.
And I gave them the perfect amount of water. They're gonna be beautiful.
Look at all these eggs, Penny. We're rich.
Oh, Tim, they're lovely. The chickens are so fluffy today.
Wow, look how big this tomato is, Penny.
I bet it's the biggest one in the whole garden.
It is very big, Tim.
Smell that. It's the best one yet.
Oh, it is lovely.
Look, Tim, a bumblebee. We did it, Penny!
Yes, Tim.
We did!
Wow, look at the farm today. It's absolutely perfect.
It really is, Tim. Everything feels so peaceful now.
Wow, Penny, this tomato is the best one yet. So juicy.
My cucumber is very crisp today too, Tim.
Look at this one, Penny. It's huge.
Oh, Tim, it's lovely. The chickens are so happy now. Look at how big everything got. These tomatoes are huge.
They are very pretty, Tim. These seeds are gonna grow so big, Penny. Maybe taller than the barn.
Oh, I hope so, Tim. I'll make sure they get plenty of water.
It's cracking, Penny. Look!
Oh, dear. I think this one is almost out.
The cutest little chickens ever.
Look at this giant carrot, Penny. And wow, check out that pumpkin.
Oh, it's wonderful, Tim. The basket is getting heavy. Look at all this, Penny. We did a pretty good job, didn't we?
Oh, yes, Tim. It's beautiful.
Here you go, Cluck Clucks. We're so grateful for these yummy eggs.
Oh, Tim, they look so happy.
Wow, Penny. Look at all the colors. It's like a rainbow explodes.
It's lovely, Tim. The flowers smell so sweet.
Wow, Penny, look at the sky. It's like a painting.
It's wonderful, Tim. So many pretty colors.
Are you sure this is the right way, Hazel?
I think so, Milo. Just follow the map.
Uh-oh, I think we're lost.
This doesn't look like the picnic spot on the map. We need water.
Look, coconuts.
Maybe we can reach them.
That's much better.
So refreshing. It's getting late.
We should probably build a shelter for the night. make a great roof.
These branches are heavy. Almost there. Put that leaf there. Okay. Is this right?
Ta-da! Our new home. Hey.
It's perfect. We're hungry. Let's catch some fish. I hope we can. I got one. I got one. Yay! You did it.
Careful now, don't burn it.
It smells delicious.
This is the best fish ever.
It tastes so good. Wow, look at all the stars. They're so beautiful. Good morning, Hazel. Milo. Good morning, Milo.
This raft needs to be strong.
We can do it. Here we go.
Wish us luck. Keep going, Hazel. We're almost home.
We can do it.
Are we going the right way?
I'm not sure anymore.
Land ho! I see land!
We're saved. We're home. Yippee! We need a hug.
Ned, we made it! It's good to be home.
Yeah. It really is.
Well, we're going to make the best honey glazed bananas ever, Piglet! I hope everyone likes them.
Almost there.
The best bananas for our stand.
Almost ready to open.
Just a few more planks.
Look at these beauties!
Our oven is up and running.
They smell delicious.
Wow, that smells incredible!
Freshly made just for you. Enjoy.
They're the sweet in the whole fair! What smells so amazing? One honey glazed banana, fresh from the oven.
Thank you.
Here you go, the best banana split in the whole fair. Enjoy! I hope you like it.
Next, who wants a delicious banana? One for you, sir.
Get your sweet bananas here. Best price today. They are very yummy and good for you.
We made so much. We did it together.
2 scoops, please.
Strawberry for me.
Wow, this strawberry one is amazing.
My vanilla is yummy too.
Look at that sunset, Seuss. It makes the whole path glow.
It's beautiful, Chef. A perfect end to a perfect day.
We're finally home, Seuss. What a day.
Yes, Chef. It smells so cozy. Next year, we'll make even more honey glazed bananas.
And even more friends.